Kihek ka Central Board Control Pollution Regional Directorate Northeast Rengkat u Dr. H. Tingsong, Scientist E Regional ka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, kumju uba SCM Environment Engineer ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Shillong, haka khatlai tarik nok pra kilahiar kynsan Wah Myntdu ban penlong ka jing tokit halor ka jinglong jingman ka Wah na ka jing shnaya ka surok jawai bypass. Haka ni ka jing hiar tokit ka ni ka kunhun kalalek Jurip yaki jaka thek khyndew ka tanat PWD ka batut liar pamkam Wah Myntdu kumju ka jaka basyak khlong mau khyndew na menkrem bat Myntdu. Nalor kata kalalek Jurip bat tokit ru halor ka jing tan da kontraktor na menkrem ban pendon kam habashna ya kate ka surok bat la tokit benia ru halor ka jing shna ka Jawai Municipal Board yaki duit kinala batut syaka Wah Myntdu na ka hukum ka NGT. Syuk-syuk ketika kenhun kalalek kmi benia ya ka jaka thek khyndew na ka jingot ya ka khyndew ban shna surok ha ka bakila lap baladon tang khendiat ka jing thek khyndew na ka jing shna ya ka surok ka bajingai palat san kilometer bat penkiang ba arpusan meter. Kini ka kenhun kalapan na ka office UEE PWD Roads Jawai Division ya ki kot kisla ba yo jingbet ban pentelem ya ki ding kilum bat ti mau ban shna surok. Hadin kini ka kenhun kalalek Jurip ru syaur khla khimus nyang ka jaka penkhut ya ka ban sam syakilong yeng ka sor Jawai bat shimru ya ka ban tokit ya ka jinglong jingman na ur khla bat na menkrem ya ka jinglap jing syam jong kini ka kenhun kan phah sya ka NGT. Ha kini ka jing hiar Jurip ladon lang ru ka kong bi bla ADC UH nengnong EE PWD Roads Jawai Division bat UO Thubru AEE ma Archalam SDO EPHE Jawai Subdivision Jawai Manager ka MSDCC nalor uma Kro El Pariat President KYM bat ki wahe shnong Jawai ki baya khun ban penbahaya ka Myntdu ka jing jong ka pateng ka bamenta bat ka pateng ka bandangwan.
Stream, no? That stream it come meet to that side.
That side.
Meandering, then it comes meandering side.
So then now this Munkarab.
As per this statement, only there are 2 units, 0.75 mgd water treatment plant. It comes around 1.5. So what about the remaining?
Pata hai ma'am, treatment planting tentang terangkan ni kapasiti. Mereka requirement ada niche yang kat pun bagi ada survey itu kat ini.
Yang supply tangkat juga.
Okay. More than that,
another plant also there?
No.
Only this plant.
For Jawai we have only this.
Only this.
So this is probably that's what we say.
Yeah. So how you are managing?
As of now, everything is fine. Not everything is fine, but
The
villagers
are exposed. About Jawai, there are many localities, they have their own water.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Like I said before, the